go.
I'm Jamie.
Jamie, last October when we did a bunch of mini challenges, you missed out.
I did. I'm so sad. But you know what? I'm kind of tired of all these full-size challenges. I want a teensy-weensy battle.
Last time we did it, I didn't do so well.
Well, let's see how you do this year.
All right, let's bring on the mini games.
Bring on the mini games.
Ready, Jamie?
I think so.
Coin grab on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Coin grab. Oh my
Yes!
goodness!
1 point, Ricky.
Yes! Let's go!
No!
Grab that coin!
Yes!
Yes!
Grab it!
Yes!
Let's go there!
1 point,
Oh,
Jamie.
No! No! Yes!
Ricky wins.
Goggles!
And
Bam!
oh! Gosh, okay. Next up we have tic-tac-pong.
3 in a row. Wins. Go!
Ugh,
Come on. Ah.
I got one!
Jamie takes the center cup.
Okay.
Ricky lands 1.
Got the middle. Oh! Oh.
Jamie
No.
filling up cups.
No, save me.
Oh my!
No. No.
Oh no!
Hey.
Oh, I got 2 in 1.
Nope, doesn't count.
That doesn't.
Oh, are you serious?
Oh!
3 in a row, Jamie.
I did it! You guys never get pied.
When I was in middle school, I loved playing video games. I would wake up in the morning and play until I went to school. I would get home from school and play until I went to bed. And I was pretty good. In fact, at one point in time, I was ranked in the top 500 people in the whole world in the specific game that I played. They were a priority for me, meaning they took a top spot in my life, and I ordered my life around playing video games. Do you have anything like that in your life? Maybe for you, it's video games like me, or maybe it's playing sports, or your friends, or getting good grades. You know, it's actually really important that we put God in that top spot, that we make God the priority of our life. Jesus actually spoke about this. He was talking to a crowd and he said, if any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way. Take up your cross daily and follow me. For if you hold on to your life, you will lose it. But if you give up your life for my sake, you will save it. So Jesus, he's telling us to put him at the top spot. And he's not just some big bad boss saying you have to put me first. But what he's trying to tell us is that when we put God first, our life will be more full. It will be more fruitful. I learned this lesson because when I put video games first, it hurt my relationships. It hurt my relationship with my family. My grades began to suffer, and I had to reprioritize my life. When we seek God above everything else, he will give us what we need. He will bring us joy. He will bring us peace. And so today, what would it look like for you to put God at the top spot, making him a priority in your life?
Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, mind and strength. Give it all you got, with all your heart, with all your soul, mind and strength. Give it to God, all that you got, all of your heart, all of your soul, all of your mind, all of your strength to find and grow your understanding. Jesus, I wanna give you all I got open-handed and follow all your commandments. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, mind and strength. Give it all you got, with all your heart, with all your soul, mind and strength.
Match the pumpkins with the pumpkins in the box. Each one you get correct, you eat some pumpkin spice shrimp. And if you match all 5, you get a better prize. Ready to go?
Ready.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna go the Roy G. Biv route. So I'm going to start with, there's no red, so I'm going orange, and then I'm going yellow, and then blue, and then I'm going to consider this indigo, and then that violet. That is my choice. How many shrimp?
1 match. Eat 1
Eat
shrimp.
the shrimp, Jamie, go.
Okay.
Next.
What do I got?
1 match.
Boom.
Eat 1 shrimp.
Okay. Do this, that, and that.
3 right. Eat 3 shrimp.
Wow. Okay. 3.
Just for process of elimination, I need to know which one's in the right place.
1 match now.
Oh, great. Okay, good job, Ricky.
Oh, that is
Pumpkin spicy.
perfect.
2 shrimp.
Win the shrimp party.
Shrimp party.
Oh no, I think I need to put those back.
Okay, what else you got?
Okay, so I put those back, and then I think I'll switch those maybe? Okay, that's what I'll do.
2 are correct.
Let's go. I got it. All right, this. Gonna cook, baby.
5 little matching pumpkins.
Hey! And I win! This little dude. I'm gonna grow him more friends.
Take a good hard look at yourself. It's time for the quiz thing. Hey, look at me! Here I am at the art museum. Here I am buying hermit crabs. Here I am inside of an active volcano. You can't really see what's going on because my big head is blocking what's really important. But if you can think of a better way to take pictures, I sure like to hear it. And don't come at me with selfie stick because that's garbage. Those things break on roller coasters. You know, we're not the only generation to become obsessed with our beautiful faces. In the mid-15th century, mirrors became cheaper and a trend started sweeping the early Renaissance art world. It was called the self-portrait. Move over, you big bowl of peaches. The painters are the stars of the paintings now. Which one of these famous artists was known for his numerous self-portraits? Was it A, Rembrandt, B, Vermeer, C, Da Vinci, or D, Orzo? If you said D, whoops, that's not a painter, that's a pasta. I bought an original Orzo from a 4-year-old, and it was just pasta on a piece of construction paper. It was glued, it was sticky. The next day I bought a macaroni, the same thing. It's A, Rembrandt. Over the span of 40 years, Rembrandt created nearly 100 self-portraits that provided a visual autobiography of him over the years. It also showed off his sweet beret. I should get a sweet beret. What do you think of my sweet beret?
Oh, I don't like this.
Did you know it's estimated that there's 93 million selfies taken every single day around the world? That's a lot of selfies. 93 million? We're so used to having a camera phone shoved into our faces to capture every waking moment. You know, the first camera phone that was sold in the US was the Sanyo SCP-5300. Now, which year was it released? Was it A, 1999, B, 2000, C, 2002, or D, 2005? If you said C, take a selfie of yourself and hashtag it winner. You're a smarty. And in 2002, they put a tiny little lens on this thing and they say, stop taking calls and start taking pictures. Just imagine how much this little gadget has changed our lives. We love to look at ourselves. We love self-portraits. We love to put the focus on us. And the world says that's where it should be. It should be on ourselves. Jesus asked his followers to do something different, something deeper. He asked us to center our lives on him. He doesn't want to just be on the edge of our decisions, in the peripheral, blocked out of the picture by our giant in-focus heads. It's a daily surrender to follow Jesus and to do what he asks us to do. Whatever life calls for, we stop looking inward for solutions and we look to him instead. It's a different way of living, and it's not what the world values. But if your life becomes just a little bit of Jesus, and then back to whatever is over here that matters to me, then you're not really following Jesus. I'm gonna say that one more time, not just for us, but also for me. When my life becomes just a little bit of Jesus, and then all of this over here, it's not really following Jesus. It should be all Jesus. We're focusing on ourselves when we live that way, and we're not focusing on Jesus. So let's really follow him. Let's turn the mirror around and make our portraits look like him. Let's take the focus off of ourselves and put it on him where it belongs. Give up your own way, take up your cross daily, and follow him. I'm the Quiz Man. Goodbye.
Protect your egg and stand in a square. Last one standing wins. Let's go!
All right.
Oh, sure would be a shame. Sure would be a shame if any eggs
Taylor.
got
Okay, I'm going after
both out. What would happen, Jamie, if one of these...
Ricky is out.
Looks like no alliances has been made. Everyone's kind of...
I think they both are in an alliance against me. What? We are going to have a hop off. Okay, so we got to hop one at a time. Oh, no, at the same time. 1, 2, 3, hop. Oh my gosh! Did you mean to do that?
I thought when we both hopped that they would fall, so I was trying to throw my
Right.
egg higher so that yours would fall first.
That totally makes sense.
Hey, focus. I see you. We're talking about focusing, so you need to focus on focusing on the message about focusing. Yeah, so many focuses. You probably have something in your life that requires you to have a lot of focus. For example, for school, if you have a test coming up, you need to focus on studying the material in order to be successful for your test. And guess what? It is the exact same thing when you focus on your walk with Christ. You have to put God in the top spot in your life and focus all you say and do on following Jesus. Think about it like this. Let's take it back to the test that you're about to take for school. If you're not focusing on the material that you're learning, you're not going to be successful when you're taking your test. If you're not focusing on your walk with Christ and you go your own way, you're probably going to get lost. Let's take a look at what Jesus says. Luke chapter 9, verses 23 and 24 says this. Then he said to the crowd, "If any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross daily, and follow me. If you try to hang on to your own life, you will lose it. But if you give up your life for my sake, you will save it." See, I think this verse is really interesting because it makes you stop and think, what is Jesus saying when he says, take up your cross daily? Taking up your cross daily means that you are fully surrendering to God. You're giving up your own way for the glorification of his kingdom. So why do you think Jesus asks people to give up their own way and follow him? Well, because Jesus is the way. In John 14, verse 6, Jesus says, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." And since he is the way, we should follow him. And Jesus doesn't ask us to focus our lives on him because he's bossy. Jesus was telling us what really mattered in the world, the way that God created it, in the kingdom of God. Jesus was describing to us firsthand how great the world works when it is as it should be. Jesus is saying that following our own path will leave us lost. But if we give up the control, our life will be saved, and you will be able to find love, joy, and peace. And hey, sometimes giving up your own way and following Jesus is not always easy. And sometimes you can lose focus and get distracted or discouraged. And guess what? That's okay. You just need to refocus and start a new day with God in your top spot. And if you're feeling lost, ask for his direction and wisdom, and try to figure out ways that you can focus on him daily and give your life and love to look like Jesus.
Go like the wind.
You got it?
Oh no! Here we go. Great.
That looks like iced tea.
Hey, drink.
That's like beef broth or something. Okay, bye.
Shoot the breeze.
I feel like I am not. Oh, stop it! Eee! Wow!
Let's go.
And the technique! Wow! Oh my gosh!
Let that sink in.
That means he wins. You just blow it off. That was gonna be my second choice too.
Limeade?
Breeze along.
Oop, well, very, very well done. Oh my
Yeah, under.
Go fish.
How is this even possible? No.
Limeade?
That looks really thick.
Buttermilk?
The winds of change wait for no one.
Oh, got one!
I have a sinking feeling.
You have very powerful breath. Sorry. Come on! That's not cool.
Anchors away.
Should I smell it first before I drink it, Loopsters?
Come on, JB,
And
go,
I'm getting
go.
I think it's clam juice.
Yeah! Following Jesus can be hard.
But it's always worth it.
Keep God in the top spot of your life.
If you'd like to know why Jesus is worth following, we've got videos on our channel all about that.
Check out our playlist.
We also have challenges that you can see.
Big and small.
One last bonus battle.
Yeah!
Okay.
First one to get the pumpkin in the bucket wins!
Woo!